You super hungry? Are you super hungry or what? No? He said he's not super hungry, but we'll see. Try to. Everyone is everyone is pretty much gone. All right, so we managed to get the heat up going. Oh yeah. Hit it with some air. Que anda esperando el cliente, pues le vamos a dar fuga ahorita. We're gonna hit, vamos a darle más con el aire. More air, baby. Try to get it hotter real quick. You can see it getting hotter right there. ¿Mm? Ya subió la temperatura, ahí andamos. Vamos a hit it with some grasita. Ahí estamos, ahí estamos. Vamos a ver qué tenemos en el menú. Cabeza de pollo. Estas son salchicha y estas son las patas de pollo. It's getting color, looking crispy. All right. It's a good temperature. You can feel it. All right, got the temperature up.